Alright, this is first try of startup after a few days. The setup process is working fine. RPM gauge went through its little reset setup. Getting wait to start, low air obviously. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can... Okay, panel lighting works. Interior lighting works, which wasn't doing before. Make sure, okay, we're neutral. Give it a shot, see what happens. And nothing. Okay, so it looks like it's still not fixed, and the interior lighting has all just gone off. Just my lights that I've plugged in from outside are working. Now we've got this. Also, my panel lighting shut off besides the notification bar lighting. If I go ahead and turn that off, it's kind of being weird now. Back on. Okay, that's really weird. So it looks like it wants to start and it thinks it's going to start. But now if I try to put it into ignition, no more beeping or anything. And if I twist it, very strange. Nothing. It's very weird. Honestly, I have no clue.